Nice, guys. That was good. That was a good one for not having Dave here.
Depressing enough?
I liked it, yeah. Hopefully we can sell that as depressing. That's pretty good.
That's what we went for. Oh, hey, what are you all doing here? It's Valentine's Day. I got a date tonight. But I'm glad you're here because I'm going to actually show you what I'm going to do. I met a girl at the gas pumps the other day. I was filling up on my unleaded and she was smoking a cigarette. She was really pretty. Kind of crooked teeth, you know, dishwater blonde hair, really nice. And we hit it off. We hit it off really well. And so I was like, come by the garage Mahole and I'll have dinner ready for you. And she's like, okay, yay! And so that's what I'm doing. So we have mac and cheese with the meat. Alright, as you can see, the water's up to a roaring boil right over here, just like my blood and my heart right now, because I'm going to dump in our mac and cheese noodles. You just dump them in like so. Put the lid back on, give them about 10-15 minutes, and they're going to boil up. But in the meantime, next, I'm going to be cutting up the meat. What we got right here is some nice smoked sausage straight out of a dollar store right over here. We just take our blade like so and just give it a nice little cuts right here. Boom, boom, boom. We don't have to be delicate about this, but I hope I'm delicate tonight. Or maybe a little bit rough. I don't know how it's going to go on, but I'm excited. I really liked her pajama bottoms. She had this smile that could just knock anybody out, and this glassy look in her eyes. I mean, you could just see forever looking in her eyes. It was like a mirror. I'm just so excited that I'm going to have a date tonight. I've had so many bad Valentine's Days. I mean, they've all been horrible. I've had fights, I've had cops, I've had everything, but tonight, it's going to be different. I mean, she's going to be coming over here, and I'm going to be over here, and we're going to have some Kool-Aid, maybe some fucking Bud Light, or something like that. I like to saute my little pieces of meat before I mix them up with my noodles. So I'm taking this fine here vegetable oil and just going to line my pan ever so gently with the vegetable oil. And I'm going to leave this vegetable oil out because hopefully, if everything goes right, I'm going to need it later. But next, I'm going to drop my meat right here and nice sizzle. I'm going to caramelize this stuff right here so it gets nice. It'll plump up as it gets warmed up and it'll get nice and juicy. That's what we're going for, is a nice juicy dog right over here. Give it a moment. Let's spread it all out. As you can see, we're getting a nice little brown cooked parts right over here, showing us that our dogs are done as these little pieces like this one right here are expanding, getting bigger and fatter. They just expand and get even juicier. But now they are about done. It's time to strain the noodles, and I lost a chunk. Did you see that? Alright, the noodles are done, nice and al dente. They've been boiling in here for about 10 minutes or so. We stir them up one last time as we have our strainer right over here, an oven mitt, and a sink to strain all said noodles out. We just go over here to our sink, dropping all that hot water. Whoo! And we only lost a few noodles. Whap. Whap. Here I am, fully prepared. Our nice little meats right over here. We're going to drop those in. Well, what's mac and cheese without the cheese? We got the cheese right here. We're just going to Snip it right on open. I always like doing this. It's like a tube of toothpaste. I always go from the bottom. Just bring it on out. Ugh. God. Here we go. Maybe a little bit more. Just one more push. And jiggle it off. And we stir in our juices just like so. Look at that. This is going to be an awesome mac and cheese. She's going to like this so much. When I saw her, she was just eating a Slim Jim and some Laffy Taffy. I'm pretty sure it was shoplifted, but I don't know. She had a nice shopping cart. I mean, she kept everything organized in there. I'm so glad. This is going to be awesome. And got it all mixed up here. We're just going to drop it off in a big old bowl. What I have right here. Ooh. Look at that. That is flavor country. I hope she's really going to like this. I put a lot of effort towards this. This is the best that EBT can afford right here. Perfect. If you can smell it, it smells like macaroni and cheese and hot dogs. This, paper towels, glasses. I got snacks, cakes just for my sweetie. Oh, we're going to need that. A little bit of love making juice. And I got our food. Just got to get outside this door here. All right. Okay, got the ketchup packets right here. Got silverware, paper towels. Time for a little bit of the juice. This is going to be so awesome. Juice for me. A little bit of juice for her. Got sanitary, moist towelettes right here. Her favorite kind of cigarettes, 100s. Sweet cakes. Mac and cheese, the ashtray. A little bit of the candle right here. Perfect. She's going to go right through that door. And she's going to see how much I love her. Any minute now. She's not here yet. Better give her a call. Make sure she's not late. Straight to voicemail. That's not good. I Instagram her. Yeah, it's a crappy phone, but it gets it. I'll instant messenger. She got the message. She got it. She's responding. She's responding. She's not responding. I don't think she's coming.